Hi everyone, it's Dr. Riddhi. So when our club members get their new set of aligners, you may notice that there may be some adjustments that are needed. These adjustments are usually high points that might be pinching your gums a little bit. So there are 3 ways you can adjust these. First one, super simple, the one I recommend the most, is get some orthodontic wax or dental wax, the same ones that you're using when you might have had braces. Get a little ball in your hand, adapt it to the high point that's impinging your gums, and pop in your aligners. Simple, straightforward. The second way to do it is to find the high point that's impinging on your gums, use the emery board that is in your SmileDirectClub kit, and file it down in one direction so it's nice and smooth. Do this one step at a time and keep trying until as little material as you need is removed. Make sure that you don't remove excess because you can always take out more material, but you cannot add in. And the last one, I would recommend if the emery board does not work, make sure to call in our dental team, and our dental team can advise you on how to do these next steps. So for these next steps, you will need a cuticle scissor, find the high point, cut it as our dental team advises, maybe through a site call, then use the emery board to file it back down into a smooth edge and then pop it back in. Now remember, your aligners are going to be moving teeth, so to do their job, make sure that you do not cut above the gum line and make sure there's some material left above the teeth. I hope that helps, making your first couple of days a little more comfortable.